In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your intake process with forms in Clickup. If you're looking to streamline how you gather information, this is an excellent technique to ensure everything is organized and efficient. To get started, you'll need to go to Clickup's official website. Once you're there, look for the login option. It's usually found in the upper right corner of the page. After that, you'll want to click on the login button. If you're not signed in yet, don't worry. ClickUp offers several convenient ways to access your account. One of the simplest methods is to sign in with your Google account. So go ahead and select the sign in with Google option. This will direct you to a page where you can choose your Google account. Make sure you pick the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Once you're signed in, it's time to select the appropriate list for your intake form. Navigate through your ClickUp dashboard and pick the list you're planning to create the form under. This list is where the submitted form data will be stored, so choose wisely to keep related information grouped together. After selecting your list, you'll notice a View tab. Click on that and shortly you should see an option labelled Form New. Clicking on Form New allows you to initiate the creation of a new intake form. Here's where you can find the flexibility and power of ClickUp's form features. Click on Project Intake to start with a template or existing form. This can save time if you're not starting from scratch. You've now reached the point where forms can really come to life. At this stage, you have the option to edit an existing form to better suit your specific needs or to add new questions. To tweak the current form, you can simply go into the editing mode, make the necessary changes and tailor it to capture the data you need. This could be anything from altering question formats to adding instructions, or even adjusting visuals to align with your brand's aesthetics. Alternatively, if you want to include more details or diversify the information you're gathering, click on Add Question. This enables you to custom tailor your form by inputting additional fields. These fields can vary in type, including text, multiple choice, drop-downs, and more, all depending on what kind of data you want to collect. By following these straightforward steps, you've now set up an intake process using forms in ClickUp. This organized strategy ensures that every piece of data submitted through these forms will be structured and easily accessible, making your workflow both simpler and more effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for enhancing your organizational productivity.